The power of dreams. A person gazing at the night sky filled with stars, symbolizing dreaming big. Soft, inspiring music plays. Dreams are the seeds of greatness. Every great achievement begins with a dream. What is yours? The journey of belief. A person walking on a path through various terrains, mountains, forests, showing perseverance. The sun rises, symbolizing hope. Believe in yourself, overcoming someone climbing a steep cliff, overcoming hurdles like storms and obstacles. Close up on determined face. Challenges will come. You will rise, obstacles are opportunities in disguise. Keep pushing forward, a person taking the first step on a staircase, or starting to write. Create, or build. Fast cuts of effort and progress. Action turns dreams into reality. Dreams without action remain just dreams. Start today, achieving success. The person reaching a mountain peak, crossing a finish line, or celebrating a goal achieved. Bright, uplifting visuals. Achieve your greatness, with belief and effort, success becomes your story. Call to action / closing. The person looking at the horizon, full of hope. Fade into a motivational quote. Dream. Believe. Achieve, your journey begins now. Believe in your dreams and take the first step. Inspirational message with subscribe and like prompts. Subscribe for more motivation. Your journey starts today.